everyone. This video is for those who want to take admission at IIT Kharagpur for M.Tech. So once you go to their official site, so this is their official site, gateoffice.iitkgp.ac.in/jmp. So once you go to their official site, you can find the application portal. So once you click the application portal, so here is the option for registration. So register as early as possible and fill up the application form. So because the last date for closing application portal is 18 April. So and the interview will be conducted on May 2nd to May 10. So not every department will conduct interviews. Some department like electrical engineering department will conduct interviews. So what are the eligibility criteria? Here you find the eligibility criteria. So once you click here, you can see the eligibility criteria. What are the gate papers required for the specialization and what are the mode of selection. So you can see that aerospace engineering department conduct interview, and cyber physical system will conduct interview, and hydraulic and water resource engineering also conduct interview. Structural engineering from civil engineering department also conduct interview. Cryogenic engineering also conduct interview. And you can see that every specialization of electrical engineering will conduct interview. So here you can find that which department and which specialization will conduct interview. So for electrical engineering, they will conduct interview for every specialization. So what are the cutoff marks for M.Tech admission? So once you go to their official browser, you can see their cutoff marks for M.Tech admission. It will take some time to load. So this is the application browser. Here you find all the information about the M.Tech and PhD. What are the different specialization are there, and so what are the coursework you can find here. For computer science engineering, you can see the course content, and elective courses are also mentioned here. For electrical and major area of research are also written here. For electrical engineering, there are 4 specialization: machine drive and power electronics, control system engineering, power and energy system, instrumentation and integrated electronics, signal processing and machine learning. You can also see the core courses and the elective courses and the major research areas of different specialization. You can also find the cutoff for M.Tech admission. In the last page, you can see the get cutoff score for different specialization for M.Tech admission. So I have written the cutoff marks at one place. So here you can see the cutoff marks for M.Tech. So this is the cutoff for different categories and the different specializations. So you can see E1 is one second. So cutoff for E1 is 480, E2 is 460, E3 is 425, E4 is 569, E5 is 551 for general category. For EWS are also here, EW, OBC, SC, ST, you can see here. So what are the E1, E2, E3 and E4 and E5? Here it is written. So E1 is machine drive and power electronics, E2 is control system engineering, E4 is power and energy system, E3 is power and energy system, E4 is instrumentation and integrated electronics, E5 is signal processing and machine learning. Similarly, different department has their different code for this different program. So you can see the code name and you can check the cutoff marks and fill your preference according to the cutoff marks and your preference. As I remember, you can give only 6 choices of the specialization. So see the cutoff marks and fill according to your preference. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.